your boyfriend don't trust you. He thinks everywhere you go you are cheating to him. The reason why he did not trust you, because he get you very easy. He doesn't struggle to have you. So he thinks that you are doing it for everyone. So sometimes men, they don't understand. Maybe you do it for him because you love him. Men, they don't understand those things because they know that a better woman is the woman you can say, can I have your number? And that woman, you can have that number maybe after 1 year. You are talking to that woman, is ignoring you. But when he get you very easy, he does not struggle. He ask you a number for a 1 day. You give him a number and sleep with him in 1 day. So he thinks you are doing those things to everyone. No, it's not about everyone, because you love that person. So your boyfriend, everywhere you go, he thinks that maybe you are cheating to him. You are doing those things with other men because he get you very easy. So sometimes, guys, men, they want to struggle most of the time to have a woman. Maybe he can talk to you maybe about 1 year. You are ignoring him. You are not giving him your number. Those men here now, they can now trust you. But when they get you very easy, they don't struggle to have you. You like maybe a, I don't understand to them. They like maybe you are doing those things to all of the men. All of the men, they ask you your number, you give them and sleep with them at the same day.